Man, dude. I'm sorry, there's just a Lowe's on there. It's pretty impressive.
Thank you.
Didn't expect it.
19 to 42 hertz.
19, wow.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
This one or that one? Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
Chuck Tilley, I got 6 Scar VHF 12s on 2 HD8Ks, 10 amps.
Did you build this?
Yes. Well, I had some help, but
Okay.
yeah.
Nice. Looks good.
Thank
Do
you.
you know what the port's tuned to on it yet?
It's tuned to 31, but I peak at 26.
Really? 26 hertz?
Yes.
Wow. Are you planning to eventually seal off the sides?
Yeah, that's been a problem of mine because of the way the truck's laid out.
Yeah.
I'm not.
Oh, you can't really with the doors open.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh,
So I'm
yeah.
not really sure how I'm gonna go about doing it, but yeah, I do plan on
Got it. It looks good. Wow, it must play low then. Does pretty good on the lows?
it. It does, yeah, definitely.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, I think we're all right for a little bit.
Okay.
What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walkthrough we just got of Chuck's system, an insane bass demo I'm about to show y'all, playing down into the teen frequencies. So be sure to give Chuck a like as well as comment. Let him know something you like about his system. I really like the staging of his system, from the subwoofers, the amplifiers, the rack, the wiring, and speaker layout. So did a really good job. I was at the Savannah, Georgia Seaport show in 2021, finally getting to upload it. Looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds. So I really like the way he has his amplifier staging set up behind the seats as well as on the side of the box. Always not recommended to mount things to the box ever, but he had so much crammed space to fit the 6 12-inch subwoofer box build in the truck, looks like a slide-in, that he made it work. And of course, his main amplifiers for the subs are actually on an amp stage with a cooling system underneath by the subs and the seat. So I really like the way that is. And having his driver port, a lot of people might not realize it, but putting the port right behind the driver's seat there, it puts a lot of pressure on the passenger, especially when you're putting that window up and sealing them off for SPL score. Usually it's going to be a little bit louder for this type of concept. And having that speaker layout above the subs put a really good bandwidth of music, and he can open the doors up and play like a musical speaker box system outside of the truck. So shout out to you, Chuck, and y'all enjoy the demo.
Man, dude. I'm sorry, there's just a lows on there. It's pretty impressive.
Thank you.
No, didn't expect that. I was expecting more like 34, 35 hertz, but like 26, 28 does really well.
That's 19 to 42 hertz.
19, wow. Thank you, man. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you for showing me.
Yes, sir, no problem.
Really good. Wow. Nice job, man.
Appreciate it.
You have a good day.
You too, bud.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.